Hey, yes, you. I know you're tired. I know you've been scrolling, hearing a million voices online, seeing everyone else seem like they've figured it out. And now you don't even know where to start or who to listen to. Lahat ng bagay parang sabay-sabay dumadating. Info here, advice there, motivation today, burnout tomorrow. So let's pause the noise right now. This episode, this one, it's for you. You're not lost. You're just overwhelmed. And today, we fix that. So what's in it for you? You'll walk away with clarity, not just a boost, not just motivation, but a plan, a 5-step game plan to get clear, get moving, and not lose yourself while chasing your goals.